Founded in 1999, Telpo is the world's leading smart terminal and solution provider. Telpo owns a series of excellent products and solutions, such as face recognition terminal, biometric tablet, industrial PDA, time attendance and access control machine, fingerprint scanner, and so on. The intelligent products are based on a unified SDK development kit, user-friendly for secondary development. Telpo also provides the professional ODM service from appearance design to software and hardware development to enhance the customer's business efficiency and brand image. As a national high-tech enterprise, Telpo has achieved more than 200 technical patents and almost 100 software copyrights. Telpo strictly accord to ISO 9001 international standards, has established PDCA continuous improvement policy, scientific and strict quality management system to ensure products with good quality. Up to now, Telpo products have served for more than 100 countries, and not only set up overseas office and company, but also recruit regional agent to expand market share. In virtue of 21 years experience in scientific research projects and professional attitude, Telpo has established strategic cooperation with many other world-renowned companies. Telpo is solidly located in smart terminal industry forefront as it sticks to technology-driven and market demand-oriented. With keen market insight, Telpo have developed smart community, face recognition, government election, and other scene applications to build cloud plus terminal brand and complete solution.